Hello, class 5th. How are you all? So, today we will begin chapter number 2. The name of chapter 2, as you can see on the screen, Food and Health. Food and Health. Okay. So, every day we eat a different kind of food. Every day we eat different kind of food. You can see on the screen there are different kind of food. Tomato, you can see grape, you can see chili, you can see carrot, cheese. So we eat different fruit and different vegetables. Yes, we eat different fruit and different vegetables. Yes, we get all these from plant. Yes, plants provide us fruits and vegetables. We also get some food from animals. Yes, we also get some food from animals like milk we get from animal, fish we get from fish, chicken, meat. So all these things. So we get food from plants and animal. Yes. So in this chapter we will talk about different food, components of food, different source of food, what will happen if you will not eat food. So first question is, why should we eat food? Why should we have to eat food? Yes. Why should we have to eat food? Yes. Do you eat food? Why? Why do you eat? Because you feel hungry? No, that's not the correct answer. We eat food because food provides us energy. We eat food because food provides us energy. And this energy help to grow us. This energy help to do various work. We do daily different kind of activity like playing. We everyday play. We do hard work also. So all these activities possible because of food. What kind of food you are eating? So you should eat healthy food. You should try to avoid pizza, burger, cold drink. You should avoid them, and instead of eating you should drink milk. Yes, you should eat rice, healthy food. You should eat fruits. So try to eat healthy food. Okay, so food provide us energy, food help to grow our body, food build our body. Yes, food build our body. Yes. And food repair the body parts. Yes, food repairs the different body parts. Okay, I hope you understood. So let's begin the chapter. Let's move on the next point. Okay, kids, first topic that we will study, that is nutrients. Yes, nutrients. So what are nutrients? What do you mean by nutrients? Yes, nutrients are component of food. Yes, nutrients are actually component of food. Have you ever heard the words carbohydrate? Have you ever heard this word carbohydrate? Fat? Have you ever heard the word vitamins? Minerals? Yes, vitamin, not vitamin. Vitamin is wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is vitamins, or you can call vitamin. Okay, vitamins. Fat? What is fat? What is carbohydrate? What is protein? What is mineral? All these are nutrients. Yes, my dear friends, dear kids, all these are nutrients. Yes. So what are nutrients? Nutrients are chemical substances. Yes, nutrients are chemical substances which provide energy and maintain the function of body. Yes, maintain the function of body and provide energy. Yes. So nutrients are actually chemical substance. Yes. They provide us energy and maintain the different function of body like digestion, excretion. So they maintain these functions. Or in another word I can say nutrients are component of food. Yes. Nutrients are component of food that provide us energy. We need nutrients in adequate amount, means enough in quantity. Adequate means enough in quantity. So we need nutrients in proper quantity, in right amount. There are 5 main nutrients. Yes. How many nutrients? There are 5 main nutrients. Carbohydrates, as you can see on the screen. Carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, mineral. Yes. Every day we need these 5 nutrients, but in right amount. Carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Yes, we need all these in right amount. Carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, protein, mineral, nutrients. So all these are chemical substance. All these are component of food which provide us energy, maintain the function of body. Apart from these, except carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, we need 2 more things. Yes, we need 2 more things: fiber and water. Fiber means dietary fiber, or you can call it roughage. Dietary fiber or roughage. And water. Yes, we also need dietary fiber and water. Dietary fiber and water. Yes. So, what are the sources of carbohydrates? What are the sources of fats? What are the sources of proteins? We will study all these, and we will also see that what will happen if you will not eat. What is the function of carbohydrate? What is the function of fat? What is the function of protein? What is the function of vitamin, mineral? Okay, we will. So please write down all. I am giving you 10 seconds. Please write. Okay, kids. So let's see once again. Nutrients, chemical substances which provide energy and maintain function of body are called nutrients. There are 5 nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, mineral, and other are dietary fiber and water. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's, as you can see the index on the screen. This index is also in your book, so please make this index in your notebook. Please make it. I am giving you 10 seconds first. Try to write down, then we will begin. Okay, so I have written all 5 nutrients and their functions. As you can see on the screen, name of nutrient, sources, function. We will discuss sources, okay, and functions. So first is carbohydrate. Yes, carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. Yes, carbohydrate is also called energy giving food. Which are the sources of carbohydrate? Rice, potato, wheat, sugar. As you can see written in the index, sources: rice, potato, wheat, sugar. Please write down. And what is the function of carbohydrate? Yes, what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate provide us energy. Yes, my dear kids, carbohydrate provide energy. We should eat every day rice, potato, wheat, because it provide energy to do work. You can do any kind of work, you can play, you can help your mother, you can help your father. If you eat carbohydrate, you need energy. Without energy, you will become so lazy. So, carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. Next is fat. Yes, fat is also known as energy giving food. Yes, my dear kids, it is also known as energy giving food. Which are the sources of fat? Which are the sources of fats? As you can see on the screen in the index, butter, ghee, milk, cheese. Butter, ghee, milk, cheese. These are the sources of fats. We will discuss fat sources, something more fat sources later. What is the work of fat? What is the function? It gives more energy compared to carbohydrate. Yes. Fats also provide energy. Yes. Fats also provide energy. It provides energy more than carbohydrate. Yes. Dear kid, remember, fats provide energy more than carbohydrate. Next is vitamins and minerals. Next nutrient, vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals are also known as protective food. Vitamin and minerals are also known as protective food. What is the function of vitamin and mineral? They required for normal growth and development. Yes. Vitamin and minerals required for growth and development. They are very important. They need in small quantity. Yes. Vitamin and mineral, they are also called micronutrients. Remember, vitamin and minerals are called protective food as well as micronutrients. Yes. And fruits and vegetables, different kind of fruits, different kind of vegetables provide us vitamin and minerals. And why do we have to eat? Why should we eat vitamins and minerals? Because they help to grow and development and maintain the different function of body. Okay, this is the body fluid. They help to build tissue. Next is protein. Protein is also known as bodybuilding food. Protein is also known as bodybuilding food. And which are the sources of protein? You can see in the index: milk, eggs, meat, fish, soybean. These are the sources of protein. And what is the function of protein? What does it do? Help in building and repairing body. It builds your body. It makes you strong. Protein makes you strong and repair the damaged part of body. Repair the damaged part of the body. So these are the 5 nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, mineral, protein. Now we will discuss more sources, different kind of sources of all nutrients one by one. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, first nutrient is carbohydrate. So we will discuss the different sources of carbohydrate. As you can see on the screen, different sources of carbohydrate, you can easily understand. So point number 1, that carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. Yes, remember, carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. It means, what is the function of carbohydrate? What is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate provides us energy. Yes, carbohydrate provides us energy. Now the question is, which are the sources of carbohydrate? Yes, which are the sources of carbohydrate? Rice. Yes, rice is the source of carbohydrate. Bread. Yes, Bread is the sources of carbohydrate. Chapatis, yes, chapati. We eat every day chapati. Yes, in the morning, sometime we eat bread. We should eat bread. With milk, we eat rice. Rice is the main part. Our mother cooks rice usually one once in a week or two time in a week. Our mother cooks rice. We eat poa. We eat poa also source of carbohydrate. Okay, bread, chapati. We should eat chapati. Chapati is main part of carbohydrate. Lot of carbohydrate is present in bread, chapati. Next source, as you can see on the screen, is maize. 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 Yes. So maize is a kharif crop, and we grow maize in monsoon season. We eat directly maize, and we also make chapati of maize. And we also eat it directly. And popcorn, do you know popcorn? Popcorn is made of maize. Yes, popcorn is made of maize. Next is potatoes. Yes, in most of the vegetables we use potato. Banana is fruit, and we eat fruit. Millet, yes, millet also we grow in monsoon season. You can see on the screen the picture of millet. Millet also contain lot of carbohydrate. So which are the sources? Rice, bread, chapati, maize, potato, banana, millet. These are the sources of carbohydrate. Rice, bread, chapati, maize, potato, banana, millet. Okay, so please write down. I am giving you 10 seconds, then we will move on the next point. Okay, so rice, bread, chapati, maize, potato, banana, millet, these are the sources of carbohydrate. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Next source is protein. Yes, protein is also known as bodybuilding food. Yes, protein is also known as bodybuilding food. What is the function of protein? It helps to repair the body. Yes, it helps to repair the body, and it build our body. Yes, it helps to build our body and repair the body. Yes, protein build our body and repair the body. And protein is also known as bodybuilding food. So, what are the sources of protein? Protein we get from plant as well as animal. Yes, my dear kid, protein we get from plants as well as from animal. So there are two sources of protein, plant sources and animal sources. So first we will discuss plant sources. As you can see on the screen, can you see some picture? Yes. Tell me the name of first picture. What is this? Think and tell me. Peas. Yes, Peas. Peas. Next picture. Tell me what is the name of next picture. Middle picture. Gram. Yes, gram. Next picture. Can you tell me the name of last picture? Moong. Yes, MOONG. Moong. So peas, gram, moong. There are different kind of peas, chickpeas, cowpeas. These are the sources of protein. Yes, they help to repair the body, they maintain body. Chickpeas, cowpeas, gram, peas, moong. These are the sources of protein. All these are plant sources. Other sources, soya bean, tur dal, beans, soya bean, tur dal, beans. These are the sources of protein. So remember, peas, gram, moong, soya bean, tur dal, beans, chickpeas, cowpeas, lentils, all these are sources of protein. Yes, and all these are plant sources. We get all these from plant. Peas, gram, moong, soya bean, tur dal, beans, all these we get from plant. So please write down. I am giving you 10 seconds. Please write down. Okay, I hope that you might have written peas, gram, moong, soya bean, tur dal, beans. These are the sources of protein. These are plant sources. Now let's discuss animal source. Let's move on the next point. Okay, animal sources. As you know that, dear kids, protein is also known as bodybuilding food. Yes, protein is also known as bodybuilding food. Protein help in building and repair our body. Protein helps in building and repair in our body. And there are two different sources of protein, plant source and animal source. And we have already discussed about plant source, peas, gram, moong, soya bean, tur dal, beans. Yes, peas, gram, moong, soya bean, tur dal, beans. These are the protein sources. These are the proteins. And now let's talk about animal sources. Look the picture. Look the picture carefully and tell me the name of all these sources. Look the picture. Can you tell me the name? Yes, kid. Can you tell me the name? Yes. Fish. Can you see the picture of fish? Yes. Fish is the source of protein. Yes. Fish contain protein. Can you see the picture egg? Egg also source of protein. Yes. Can you see the picture of cheese and butter? Cheese and butter. Yes. Cheese and butter, both are the sources of protein. Milk is also source of protein. Yes. Fish, egg, cheese and butter, milk, all these are source of protein. Can you see the picture of meat, red meat? Yes, my dear kid, red meat is also source of protein. I have not written the name. I have not written the spelling. Can you tell me yourself what is the spelling of fish? What is the spelling of cheese? What is the spelling of butter? What is the spelling of egg? What is the spelling of red meat? Think and tell me. Write down in your notebook. Yes. So these are the sources of protein. Protein are bodybuilding food. These are the sources. Which are the sources? Fish, egg, cheese, butter, red meat, milk. All these are sources of protein. Okay. I hope you understood. Now let's move on to the next point. Okay kids, now let's talk about vitamins, different kind of vitamins. There are different kind of vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. Yes, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. So, vitamins are protective food. Yes, vitamins are protective food. They help in growth and maintain, develop our body. They help in growth of body and development of body. So we will discuss source of vitamin A, vitamin B1 and vitamin C. Three type of vitamin we will discuss today. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin B1, because there are many subtype of vitamin B. Many type of vitamin B, vitamin B1, B2, B3. So, but we will study only about vitamin B1. In your book only about vitamin B1 is given. Okay. So first we will study vitamin A. So which are the sources of vitamin A? As you can see on the screen, please write down carrots. Can you see the picture of carrots? CARROTS, carrot. Papaya, yes. Meat, egg, yes. Carrot, papaya, PAPAYA, meat, MEAT, meat. Egg, EGG. Cheese, CHEES, cheese. Sweet potato, yes. Sweet potato, SWEET, sweet potato, POTATO. Carrot, papaya, meat, egg, cheese, sweet potato, peppers, avocado, yes. AVOCADO. Avocado. All these are sources of vitamin A. Yes. If you will not eat vitamin, your body will not grow. Your body will not develop. Mango. Yes. You should eat mango. Muskmelon. Yes. Muskmelon is also source of vitamin. Fish. Fish is also source of vitamin. Broccoli. Broccoli is also source of vitamin. So, these are the sources of vitamin A, help in normal growth of and development of body. Carrot, papaya, meat, eggs, cheese, sweet potato, mango, avocado, muskmelon, fish, broccoli, peaches, apricot. Okay. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, as I told you that there are subtype of vitamin B, there are many vitamin B. So vitamin B is actually called complex vitamin. So there are many vitamin B1, B2, B3, but we will discuss only about one vitamin B1, because in your book only vitamin B1 is given. Look the picture and tell me the name of sources of vitamin B. Tell me the source of vitamin B1. From where do we get vitamin B1? From where do we get vitamin B1? So look the picture carefully. Can you see cowpeas and chickpeas? Cowpeas and chickpeas? Yes. Cowpeas and chickpeas are the source of vitamin B1. Meat. Can you see the picture of meat? Yes. Meat is also source of vitamin B1. Can you see the picture of green peas? Can you see the picture of green peas? Yes. Green peas are also source of vitamin B1. Can you see the picture of potato? Potato. POTATO, potato. Yes. Vitamin B1 is also a protective food. It also helps in normal growth and development of body. Can you see the picture of prawns? Yes. Prawns is a seafood. It also provide vitamin B1. Yes. Different nuts, different dry fruit. Yes. Different dry fruits also provide vitamin. So, chickpeas, cowpeas, meat, green peas, potatoes, dry fruits, prawns, all these are sources of vitamin B. Okay. Can you tell me the spelling of potato? Can you tell me the spelling of dry fruit? Can you tell me the spelling of chickpeas, cowpeas? Can you tell me the spelling of green peas? Can you tell me the spelling of meat? Think and write yourself. I have not written. Okay? You will think and write yourself. You can take the help of mother, father. Write the spelling of prawns, write the spelling of potato, write the spelling of green peas, write the spelling of chickpeas, write the spelling of cowpeas, write the spelling of meat, dry fruit. All these are sources of vitamin B. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's discuss vitamin C. Actually, vitamin C is present in sour thing. Yes, sour. Vitamin C is present in sour thing. Like lemon. In lemon it is present. In curd also present. So, vitamin C is very important for our teeth. Yes, it is very important to protect gums and teeth. Yes, vitamin C is very important to protect gums and teeth. Vitamin C. Which are the sources of vitamin C? As you can see on the screen and tell me, read yourself. I am giving you 10 seconds to write. Please write down. Then we will discuss vitamin C. Okay. So, vitamin C. Kale, first kale. I think you might have not seen kale. Kiwi, can you see the picture of kiwi? Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Can you see the picture of strawberry? Have you ever eaten strawberry? No, should eat. It's a little bit sour in taste. Yes, it's not sweet, it is sour. Guava, yes. Guava is not completely sweet, it is sour. So, guava, Guava, it contains vitamin C. Papaya, can you see the picture of papaya? Cauliflower, can you see the picture of cauliflower? Yes, cauliflower is vegetable, it is actually a flower. Yes, cauliflower is a flower which contains vitamin C. Pepper, Pepper, pepper. Can you see the picture of pepper? It also contains vitamin C. Broccoli, Broccoli, Broccoli. Yes, broccoli also contains vitamin. Orange, can you see the picture of orange? Yes, orange, lemon, they contain vitamin C. Yes, because they are not sweet, they are sour in taste. So remember, kale, kiwi, strawberry, guava, Brussels sprouts, papaya, cauliflower, pepper, broccoli, orange, all these are source of vitamins. Try to remember all these sources. Just remember in brain that vitamin C contains sour thing. So orange, lemon, pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, kiwi, strawberry, all these are vitamins source. Okay. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's discuss about fat. Fat is also known as energy giving food. Yes, fat is also known as energy giving food. And fat provides us energy. Fat provides us energy. There are different sources of fat. Yes, there are different sources of fat. Do you know fat provides us more energy in comparison to carbohydrate? Yes, fat provide more energy than carbohydrate. Fat provide more energy than carbohydrate. Yes, and which are the source of fat? Which food contains fat? High fat sources. Which are the highest fat sources? As you can see on the screen, these are the sources of fat. I am giving you 10 seconds. Please write down all these sources of fat. Please. Okay. Look the picture. Meat and fish. Meat and fish. Yes, fatty meats and fish contain high amount of fat. Yes, meat and fish contains high amount of fat. Cheese. Cheese. Butter. 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 Cheese, butter also contain fat in high amount. Milk also contain fat. Oil, different kind of oil provide fat. Yes, different kind of oil like mustard oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil. So these are the sources of fat. All the oil contains fat. Oil, we eat everyday oil. Avocado, yes, avocado is a contain fat. Avocado contains fat. Avocado is also source of fat. It provides high energy because fat is a energy providing food. Nuts and seeds, yes, we eat different kind of nuts. Nuts are also source of fat. Chocolates, yes, isn't it amazing that chocolate also have fat? Yes, dear kids, remember chocolate also contain fat. Okay, so meat, fish, cheese, butter, avocado, nut seed, chocolates, oil like sunflower oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil, they are the sources of fats. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's talk about minerals. Yes, remember vitamins and minerals are micronutrients. Yes, minerals are micronutrients. Yes, nutrients means, what is the meaning of nutrients? Chemical substance which provide energy and maintain the function. Yes, chemical substance which provide energy and maintain the function are called nutrients, or you can, in short, you can say components of food which are important for the growth of body. There are 5 main nutrients: carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin, minerals, and we need dietary fiber and as well as water also. Okay, so minerals, what is the spelling of minerals? Minerals. Can you see on the screen the spelling of mineral? Minerals. Please write down the spelling. Okay, there are lot of minerals, but we need in small quantity. Yes, we need in small quantity. Calcium, Calcium, calcium. Yes, we need calcium. Calcium is present in dairy food product like curd, cheese, butter, milk. They contain calcium. Egg also contain calcium. Broccoli also contain calcium. Fish also contain calcium. Next is iron, iron, iron. Okay, iron is a mineral. Yes, my dear kid, iron is actually a mineral. In many substances iron is present like potato, maize, ladyfinger, spinach. Yes, they contain iron. Tomato also contain iron. Yes, these are the sources of iron. Magnesium, Magnesium, magnesium. I think first time you might have heard this word magnesium, Magnesium. Magnesium is also mineral. Yes, we need magnesium. Magnesium is present in watermelon. Magnesium is present in green peas. Magnesium is present in fish. Magnesium is present in carrot. Yes, these are the sources of magnesium. Potassium, I think you also have heard this word first time. Potassium, Potassium, potassium. Yes, potassium is also present in different thing. Zinc, zinc. Yes, Zinc is also a mineral. Zinc is also present in Maggi. But Maggi is not good for health. Maggi is not good for health. Yes. There are many sources of zinc, like green peas, watermelon. There are many grains in grains and butter. Butter also contain groundnut, broccoli. They all are the sources of mineral. So calcium, iron, magnesium, protein, zinc. Calcium, magnesium, protein, iron, zinc. Calcium, magnesium, protein, iron, zinc. Calcium, magnesium, protein, iron, zinc. Sorry, potassium, iron, zinc. Protein, not potassium. Sorry, protein, not potassium. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc. These are the sources of mineral. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the last point. Okay, kids, it's time to ask question from you. It's time to ask question from you. Question number 1. What are the different components of food? Write their names. Yes. What are the different components of food? Write their name. Yes. So we know that components of food are called nutrients. Components of food are called nutrients. Yes. What do you mean by nutrients? Chemical substance which provide energy and maintain the function. Chemical substance which provide energy and maintain function. There are 5 main nutrients. Nutrient number 1, carbohydrates. Nutrient number 2, fats. Nutrient number 3, proteins. Nutrient number 4, vitamins. Nutrient number 5, minerals. So, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Okay? Carbohydrate, fat and protein, they need in large quantity, but vitamin and mineral, they are micronutrient, they need in small quantity. And we should also eat dietary fiber and water along with them. Question number 2. Write the source and function of following: carbohydrate, fat and protein. Yes. What are the sources of carbohydrate, fat and protein? What are the sources of carbohydrate? Source of carbohydrate: rice, bread, chapati, maize, potato, banana, millet. Yes. What are the sources of carbohydrate? Rice, bread, chapati, maize, potato, bananas, millet. What are the sources of protein? What are the sources of protein? Peas, gram, moong, soyabean, tur dal, beans. These are the plant sources. What are the sources of protein? Peas, gram, moong, soyabean, tur dal, bean. Peas, gram, soyabean, moong, tur dal. And other animal sources: milk, curd, cheese, egg, fish, red meat. Yes, fish, curd, fish, milk, egg, cheese, butter, red meat. These are the sources of protein. Okay, and which are the sources of fat? Which are the sources of fat? So we know that oil contains fat. And butter also contain fat. Cheese also contain fat. Meat and fish also contain fat. Chocolate also. Yes. Nuts and seeds, avocado. These are the sources of. Question number 3. Write the names of different minerals. Yes, write the name of different minerals. There are many minerals: calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron. Yes, calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron. All these are sources of mineral. Calcium, we get calcium from dairy food product like egg, like cheese, butter, milk curd, cheese, butter, milk curd. These are the sources of calcium. Magnesium, we get magnesium from watermelon and green peas, fish also provide us. Iron, we get iron from jaggery and maize, and different kind of grains also provide. Spinach also provide, potato also provide iron. So there are different sources of calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc. Okay. So mineral are micronutrients. Okay. We need minerals for normal growth and development of body. Vitamin and mineral are called protective food. Carbohydrate and fat are called energy giving food. Proteins are called body building. I hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class with new topic. Till then, goodbye.